Hi, welcome to English lesson with Madam Liana. Today, our learning objectives are you can listen and say w, f, u, o, and o correctly. Number 2, you can read at least 5 words with the 5 different sounds correctly with guidance. Okay, this is the sound W. Do the actions and say the sound. Join two peace signs together and say W. Can you do this at home? Very good. Let us review the words that contain the W sound. Number 1, it's wheel. Wheel. Number 2, it's white. White. Number 3, it's whale. Whale. Very good, everyone. Now, circle the words with W sound. Which one has the W sound? White. How about number 2, coin? No. Number 3, oil? No. Number 4, where? Yes. Number 5, whale? Yes. Number 6, cow? No. Number 7, whistle? Yes. Number 8, wheel? Yes. Number 9, play. Okay, now we proceed to the next sound, the sound F. Do the actions and say the sound. Pretend to fly and say F. Say F, F, F. You can say F or F. Can you do this at home? Very good. The first word that has the F sound is photo. Photo. Number 2 is phone. Phone. Number 3 is elephant. Elephant. Very okay. What is picture number 1? It's elephant. How about picture number 2? It's photo. Number 3, dolphin. Number 4, phone. Now, we will learn about the sound U. Do the actions and say the sound. Point to a friend and say you. Say you. The first word that has the U sound is stew. Number 2 is chew. Chew. Number 3 is new. New. Very good. The next one is O. Do the actions and say the sound. O. Raise your palms up and shake your body. Say O. O, O, O. The first word is ho. Ho. Number 2 is dough. Dough. Number 3 is tomatoes. Tomatoes. The next sound is O. Do the actions and say the sound. Draw a big circle anti-clockwise in the air and say O. O, O, O. The first word is otter. Otter. Number 2 is August. August. Number 3 is autumn. Autumn. Number 4, fauna. Fauna. Now, don't forget to do your homework in your Google Classroom. Goodbye.